simplest and actually really fast supper for you. So if you have some ground beef already thawed out, this is a pound of ground beef, and I like to add 1 egg to anything I make with a ground beef. So just 1 egg per pound. So if you have 2 pounds, 2 eggs. I like the taste, I like the binding action, I like the flavor and all of that jazz. I like eggs in my stuff. Okay, and then I have my steak sauce. You can find that recipe somewhere on the site. So I have a tablespoon. So about a tablespoon per pound for stuff like this. There you go. And then I'm just gonna mix this all together. And that's it. It's so easy, 3 ingredients. Okay, and here's another good thing that you can do. We're gonna get our hands in here because it's good to be friendly with your food. Okay, so get in there and just mix it together. It's all good. People should get to know their food. This is a good way of getting to know it. So it's going to be really moist, really flavorful. And I have this nifty little doodad here. It's really fast and easy, and you can, it will make uniform meatballs. You don't have to use it. You can just use a tablespoon, or just go like this and make a meatball. But I'm kind of like, I need it to be, yeah, I need it to be, you know, like uniform. So we're gonna do this with all of these meatballs, and then we're going to, you could bake them, you could broil them in the oven for 7 minutes per side, or you could pan fry them, or you can air fry them. Whatever method you have at home is perfect. So I'm just gonna do these. Okay, these aren't, they're not perfectly round, right? But they don't have to be. So I'm gonna pop these into the oven. I broil them 7 minutes per side, but do you, right? Like you could pan fry them, you could use the air fryer, whatever works for you in your household. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook these up. Here's our meatballs. Don't they look great? So what I would do with these is just eat them right off the pan, but also you can add them to tomato sauce. You can find the tomato sauce recipe on this as a video. You could serve them as an appetizer or with any other kind of sauce that's on here. You could serve them with rice or potatoes, anything like that. You could cool them off, put them into the freezer for a really quick meal when you are short for time. Anyway, I hope that inspires you.